welcome to my channel. So today we'll be replicating a birthday flyer design. Let's go straight ahead to our PixelLab app, and the image size for this is going to be, the width to be 1024, but we'll just leave the height to be the default size of 1280. So this is what will be the size we'll be using. Let me go and bring the two designs that we'll be replicating. So this is one of the designs that we'll be replicating that I got idea from, and this other one. So I'll just draw some inspo from the two, but basically most of what I'll be doing is with this one. It's a birthday flyer design for Isaac Oyedepo. So let me bring the design, the background I downloaded for this particular one. So this is the background that we'll be using. This is the background we'll be using. There's something I want to try it. Let me see if it's gonna work out. This way. Copy, and let me see. Let me see how this one's gonna be like. So we're starting from scratch, so we're doing it together so you get some idea. Let me see. I want to ensure they are all joined. Bring it here. And this one. And there you have it. So let's lock it. Let's bring them to the front. And yes, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the image. This is the image that we'll be using. And in the two designs, they use two images, but I'm thinking of using just one because I wasn't able to get what I actually wanted for this tutorial. But let's see how it goes. I might just be using this one. I'll just be using this one. Yes, I didn't get the actual background I wanted for this. So now I will most likely be changing the concept as we go on with the design. Let's leave this. Let me still increase it. Let me reduce it. I'll most likely be changing some of the patterns as we go ahead with our work. So let's leave it this way. Still bring this to the front. Bring this to the front. Then I'll bring in a white shadow. If this is the first time on my channel, please don't forget to like and drop a comment and let me know what kind of tutorials you want me to be making more of as we proceed. This channel is here to teach you how to design and start your design career with your smartphone. So yes, this is the shadow effect we'll bring in. Increase the size. Have it this way. Change the color to white. I didn't want it to be blue. I think white is okay. Or you can try it like I said. Or I'm just doing the design together, so I might be changing some concept. But we're working together to know the one that is the best. So this is kind of blue. Let's leave that now. And the other thing there is, what do we want to do? So this one, most of the item they use, like the one they used to write the happy birthdays in circle, this one is in square. So most of what I'll be using is going to be in square. So we've done that. Like I said, if I want, I can do this because now the background is gold. I want to see if I can make it blue, something kind of blue. So let me go to our background and see. Okay, I might need to hide this image. Let's go to color filters now and see if we can work on that color filters to have kind of blue kind of background. Blue. So let's see how this is going to look out. Blue. And yes, we'll be working with this blue kind of stuff. So the next thing is I'm going to bring in this box like this shape, and it's still going to be in blue. Going to be in blue, right? Or let me just make it stroke color. Okay, sorry about that. I think the stroke is kind of too much. So we'll write the name now. As you create depot, let's go over text. Color will be white. The idea is there is a way you model design, and people might end up not even knowing where you get your design idea from. So let's bring the spacing. It's the way you get so good at modeling your design, and people won't even know where you get your ideas from. And that's the beauty of being a well-grounded designer. So you have this way. But you're gonna see some things I will do. Don't worry. You see some things I will do. Isaac, beautiful. Let's have this way. Place it in the center. Copy it. Beautiful. That's the beauty of design. Once you're designing, you start getting a whole lot of ideas and inspiration. You can start with one way, or before you're done with your design, you just get a different kind of concept and tile. As you create the code, increase the size. Okay, reduce it. Align it to the center. Let's talk about using our grid line. Okay, we use our grid lines for this. So this, let me see how I can space this now. Give it some spacing. You have it this way. Take this like this, and there you go. So now that other text that we have here, a man after God's heart, will be writing it the way it came in this one. We'll be writing it beneath. This one here, they wrote it at the right hand side, but this one we're writing it beneath. So a man after God's heart. We copy this. We'll move all the spacing. We don't need spacing for this one. Let's write a man after God's heart. have it written this way. Okay, I think that's okay. So now that's okay. You can leave it there. I wanted to space it out, but because of the serif font that we have there, the spacing in between will not work out well. So let me do this. Take this to the up. A man after God's heart. So what I'm gonna do now, this stuff, I'm gonna edit it. Go over here, click on edit. I want it to still come down. So it will go up like this. We'll just it this way. A man after God's heart. So it's something I want to do. Yes. So let's align it. Then 11 minutes. So shape. Now we'll make this. We'll do some stuff here. We make this black. Place it here. Copy. Place another one here. Copy. Then copy again. Okay. Or let's just make it this way. Yes. I think this is better. Don't worry, you see what I'm about to do. So align this. Synchronize it. You see what I'm about to do. So let's go ahead and delete. I think this one. Right. Okay, we've done that now. So we'll just merge this, and this. We'll merge it. Click on OK. Okay, we have merged it. Now go to erase color and we'll erase the black part of it. We'll erase it like this. Increase the tolerance to 30. I usually leave it at 30. Then still make the color white. But you can see red is not giving it a kind of different kind of contrast. So you see, even this red will most likely work out. Wow, you see, that's the beauty of designing. I want to check something. I would have loved everything to fall within this one line, but I'll have to reduce the size very, very well. I'll have to reduce the size. I have to reduce the size. I wanted everything to fall in one line. Readable to go up. A man after God's heart. Okay, let's have it there. We've done that. Then the next thing is let's bring this to the front. And we have the date, February 25th. We'll bring in another box again, shape box. We want to make it a little bit like rectangular. Bring in our grid lines. Let me bring in. I like working with my grid lines so that we'll see what we are doing. Then the color is still blue. Okay, let's just leave it that way. Then we'll copy this. We'll remove the spacing because we apply spacing here. So we'll just write February 25th. The idea of modeling design is when you're done doing your design, people will know where you get your idea from. So that's just reduce this, reduce it, and place it that place. And we've done that. How many minutes have we spent on this? 17 minutes. Okay, so yes, and if you want, you can still write the happy birthday around it. Let's write happy birthday around it. But then next thing is we'll write those things at the top. Right? Celebrating. Okay, I think we'll apply spacing here. Color for this is blue. If you want, you can make it black. Let's use the lighter font. So we already spaced it as much as we should. And see, apply more spacing there. Then just align it to the middle. And you leave it that way. Then you can still, if you still want, copy this Isaac, copy it, copy this if you want, then you place them here, align it to the center, then there they wrote what the Isaac depot, just copy this, write D. See, put it at the center. Then you merge it with 3, merge it. Then you give it the color, whatever color you want. You want to give it black, you check. Think this red is not bad. If you want, you can give it black. Whichever one works well for you, just put it that way. But I'm thinking this other color. This color. There's this color I'm thinking. This one. See the hex code is EAFA11. If you want it to be exactly like this, just copy it and paste it. So this is the color I think I'll be using. Then this also works here. I'll use the same color instead of just using red. And so it looks lovely. So we've virtually done everything. Like I said, if you want, you can write happy birthday, happy birthday. No much stuff here. So let's we can delete this. We've gotten the concept. I want to delete this. Then I will also delete this. So this is just a simple birthday flyer design for the person in question. If you still want to do some paparazzi and all that, you copy this. You would what do you do now is you reduce this, then give it a space and stroke of white, just to add some more details and all that. So have it come this way. Then bring the February 25th to the front. You can now reduce the size. So this is just a simple birthday flyer design. And what you do is you just save as project, birthday Isaac. Okay, then you save as image. In this tutorial, I will not be doing editing, but sometimes you can use your Snapseed to edit. Thank you for watching to the end. Let me know if you learned something and what kind of tutorial you want me to make next. Till I come your way again, I'm Kingsley. Have a nice day.